Where are you from?
The United States.
Really? That's great.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, that's cool. Why you say that's crazy?
Because I'm learning English and you are native English speaker. That's why it's help for me.
Oh. What do you want to know?
I'm learning English. That's why I ask you some question if you don't mind.
Go ahead.
Can you give me some tips how can improve my English? Because I'm very nervous when I'm talking to foreigner like you. So how can fix my shyness?
I think you shouldn't feel shy, but if you do feel like that you don't know or you're not confident in being fluent or whatever, you can always tell them before you start your conversation, just like confirmation, just let them know that what your journey and you're learning right now, just so that they have awareness to be prepared to, to help you or to understand you more. And also, I wouldn't focus on learning like specific words, but like more things that have to do with our day to day basis. Like things on a daily basis would be more important than like learning colors and numbers, Even though numbers are important, but like just like conversating, daily, like time, weather, feelings, activities, like things like that, like before.
Yeah, you're right. And thanks for your valuable tips. And what do you do for your free time? I mean, weekend.
I love to write.
Love to write.
Yeah.
That's great.
So I feel like my English is like, even though I don't really know a lot of big words, but I feel like my English is like great.
Yeah, your country is native language English. That's why everyone speak English. But my country native
Yeah.
is Bengali. That's why everyone speak Bengali language. That's why learning English is very difficult sometime. But nowadays it's very easy. We have so many application. We can practice in online. That's why it's very easy nowadays.
That's cool. Well, for me, people who speak different languages, I admire and I enjoy meeting new people and that kind of things. Like it's interesting to me. So I don't feel like you shouldn't be shy. I feel like you should be like confident.
Yeah, you're a nice person because you appreciate me. So many people thinking why I am teach some people I don't know her or him. So you are very kind person. I really like you as a person.
Thanks. Yeah, those people though, there's a lot of unhappy people. Just don't listen to them
And
at all.
you know
There's
this
a lot of
generation,
unhappy people.
so many people come for
Huh?
enjoying fun. So that's why they feel bored. That's why she escaped me because I'm asking so many questions. Sometimes it's boring. I'm right?
No. I think some people, they're just more worried about they're just shitty people. They're probably worried about dick and pussy and drugs. So not a lot of people are like, human lovers. So if you get that sense that people don't like you or you don't feel welcome, just don't even stay. Don't just go. So they're doing you a favor by, they're doing you a favor if they just brush you off because you don't have to deal with that.
Yeah, absolutely right. Do you have
Yeah,
some?
don't listen to the mean people.
Yeah, nowadays I have some confidence to speak English. When I was a beginner, I just started my English learning journey. That's why I can't speak like that. It's not good enough, but I'm trying to improve day by day. And it's also happening.
Oh, and another thing that I hear that a lot of people that like don't speak English real well, I hear that they learn good English through songs. So I don't know if that'll help you or not, but just like listening to the songs, like that's how people learn. Like instead of being in a book.
Yeah, you're right. Listening and also a part of learning. If you want to
Yeah.
if you want to learn some other language, you have to listening and listening. It's very important.
Yeah. Some people don't have patience.
Yeah, right. It's not it's happening one day. You have to take time, then it's happening. So many people
Yeah.
want to speak, it's happening, they think it's happening one day, but they can't able to speak English, right? You have to
You
patient.
speak good English.
Yeah, now I'm practicing. That's why I'm some. I know I have so many mistakes, but I don't worry about it because I'm learning, and I learner can mistake. It's a normal thing, right?
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
So
You're
that's
doing a good job.
yeah. At the first time when I speak with foreigner, I was very nervous and I always thinking about my mistake, and that's why I can't speak.
Don't.
So many people, I mean, my friend, they are my friend now. Can you follow me back? We talk in later also.
Yes, I follow you.
Thank you very much. You are very
Yes.
kind of heart. So that's why my friend told me, you never nervous. You be confident. If you are speaking and other person is understand, it's good enough for you. So this tips very effective for me because now I have so many mistakes, but I don't worry about the mistakes.
Good.